Hello guys, welcome to Intraday Spikes Traveler. So today's stock like Maruti, Godrej CP we have listed, we have selected to trade on 23rd June today. So today by 9:18 a.m. I gave a call on Maruti buy side. Okay, so it actually triggered after 9:20 and see here it is running, it is on move before 9:20. See, I have by 9:19 actually it got triggered. Okay, buy entry above 7866.57. And you see here, let us mark in some orange color like 7866.57 approximately. Okay, 7866, and then the target we have marked it as 7936.46. So we'll mark that as a pink color 7936.46. Where is 7936.46? Yeah, here. Okay, 79. Come on, 7936. Okay, let us mark it over here. So it will reach 7936.46. Okay, towards the pink line. Let us see how soon it will reach. This is a 15 minutes candlestick, and we strictly follow whatever the entry, the target, and everything. Here the lot size is 100. So if you buy 100 quantity, the futures or options lot size is 100. Okay, so if you buy with a quantity of 100, and once this is get triggered at 7866, so when I gave at 9:18 a.m. It is it is below the buy entry level. Okay, you can even see in the 5 minutes candle. See here, in 5 minutes candle, this is 9:15, this is 9:20. Okay, even in 9:20, when you see, this is in this level only, orange color, in our buy entry level. So this is about to reach our target. See guys, whichever time frame we can choose, but mostly I used to prefer only 15 minutes candlestick. So once you buy the lot size of 100, the profit will be around 6989. Okay, let us see how soon it will reach our target. Come on. Mostly I used to wait for 3 candles in 15 minutes. So this is the second candle. The 3 candles in the sense, the first candle will be the triggered candle, either the buy entry or the sell entry. The entry level, once it triggered, that candle will be considered as a first candle, and this is the second candle and the third candle. We can wait until the third candle close. Okay, and before that it will get triggered, of course. We'll see. Until then we can even mark it over here. um, let's mark it this as the buy entry, which we marked it as 7866.57, 7866.57 buy entry. and sell entry, I mean sorry, the target is 7936.46. Target at 7936.46. Target at 7936.46. Oh shit, what is this? Okay, let's mark it here. All right. Here we have the stop loss also 7824.61. Anyway, this won't get hit the stop loss before hitting the target in our strategy. Anyways, we'll mark it over that as well, 7824.61. We'll mark that as in red color. 7824, 7824. 7824.61. Okay, this is the stop loss. We can't able to exactly mark the level, so I'm just mentioning it over here in the comment. Okay, stop loss at 7824.61. 7824.61. Yes. Okay, so let's see. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. It is about to reach 7936.46. This is purely a price action strategy, and along with the candlestick pattern we can trigger it. Yes, let it reach 7936.46. Come on, hope that it will reach within the second candle, and once it reach we have to exit immediately. Okay, because it's not sure that it will move up consistently, or it may hit the target and may come down. So it is always better to follow strictly whatever the rules are. 7936.46. Come on, 0.46. Come on, come on. 7936. It will hit. Yes, exactly. Guys, this is reached our target. Target reached successfully. Okay. Well, target reached successfully. In second candle itself. Okay. Okay, guys. So let it go up, but this is our target. Okay. Let's Let's take the screenshot of this. Okay, and then desktop. Targets reached successfully. Yes, guys, see here how smart it reached, and we don't want to wait for the whole day to success or to make a profit in an intraday. So this is the level. Okay, this is the where we can book the profit.